Slovenia is one of the most incredible Balkan countries to visit due to its jaw-dropping natural beauty. It is a tiny country, but it's rich in beautiful fairy tale-like places, many of them featuring castles, swans, boat rides and lakes, scenic mountains and mysterious caves. The country shares borders with Italy, Hungary and Croatia, and it also has a small coastline onto the Adriatic Sea. In Slovenia, you can enjoy other activities like adventure sports, hiking, whitewater rafting, or simply exploring hearty Slovenian cuisine. So if you are planning to visit Slovenia, then we made a list of 10 best places to visit in Slovenia. Number 10 is Ptuj. Situated in northeastern Slovenia, Ptuj is a picture-perfect town with beautiful scenery, including a castle that overlooks the city and a bell tower that majestically stand at the fork of their main avenue. You can't really see the remains of the ancient times in Ptuj, but it's still a place worth visiting. It is not only one of the Slovenia's most beautiful towns, but also the oldest one in the country. It's a little paradise of rural life, which was once a key location for the Roman Empire. Other than its ancient architecture, the city is famous for country's oldest winery, where you can learn about the long history of wine building. Number 9 is Vintgar Gorge, a fantastic narrow canyon with a rushing river and dozens of picturesque boardwalks. Vintgar Gorge is located very close to the popular Slovenian tourism hub of Lake Bled, carved out of the ancient rocks over the course of millennia by the impressive Radovna River. This stunning gorge is a photographer's dream. Crystal clear water and steep rock walls draped with lush greenery make Vintgar an essential stop on any visit to the Bled area. The boardwalks leading visitors up through the gorge are pretty but not very wide. So if you go in the middle of a nice day, you should be prepared for slow going. The best starting point, of course, is to go in the shoulder seasons of spring and fall. Number 8 is Lake Bohinj. Lake Bohinj is among the most beautiful Slovenia's attractions. Located in Triglav National Park in northwestern Slovenia, Lake Bohinj is a large alpine lake, encircled by a ring of tall mountains. It is a beautiful glacier valley where you can enjoy various activities such as kayaking, paragliding and hiking. No castle, no island, just a couple of small churches, a charming bridge, and once again those incredible shades of green. You can drive along one half of the lake, and you can walk all around. However, if you are limited in time, you can enjoy one of the best views from the bridge just when you arrive at the lake. There are two small villages located at each end of the lake, where you will find a few local restaurants and also some good hotels. Number 7 is Skofja Loka. Skofja Loka is a charming little town in Slovenia. Its picturesque location, colorful facades, and historic castle make it a must-visit on any trip to Slovenia. While the town is made for wandering, you will also want to stop at the beautiful Capuchin Bridge for photos of the picture postcard scene. In town, the Church of St. Jacob adorns the main square and is worth visiting for its frescoes. Side streets are beautiful as well, so feel free to branch off to explore. At the far end of the town is the path that leads up to Loka Castle. The hilltop fortress is stunning and houses a museum of exhibits and artifacts are relevant to Skofja Loka's history. The views from the hilltop over the red roofs of the town are spectacular. Number 6 is Kranjska Gora. Kranjska Gora is set in the Julian Mountains in northwestern Slovenia and is a chocolate box little town packed full of character. You can take the Versic mountain pass to the Soka Valley, passing the beautiful Russian chapel built by prisoners of war during World War II. This is also a great area for mountain walking, with plenty of trails and rest cabins for gentle strolls. The beautiful Lake Jasna is just a 10-minute walk away. In winter, Kranjska Gora is one of the best ski resorts in Europe for families with a fantastic ski school and fun challenges across the nearby mountains. There are also more great winter sports, including husky sledding, snowshoeing, and even an ice climbing center for those looking for more than just skiing in winter. Number 5 is Kranj. Kranj, fondly known as the capital of the Slovenian Alps, is one of the most beautiful places in Slovenia. With its mind-boggling blend of history, culture, nature, and food, Kranj is well worth a visit when in Slovenia. The best way to feel the pulse of Kranj is by walking the winding streets and open squares of the old town. The attractions worth a stop in the old town are the Spital Tower, President's House, Hungary, and Kisselstein Castle. You can explore Kranj as a day trip from Bled, but if you would love to spend a night in this offbeat town, Apartment na Skali is a beautiful accommodation right in the heart of the old town. The strategic location of Kranj is next to the Ljubljana airport, makes it a great base to explore Slovenia. Number 4 is Piran. Piran is located at the tip of a small peninsula and is the crown jewel of this popular stretch of maritime beauty. There are numerous outstanding viewpoints, from the relaxed promenade to impressive Tartini Square, to the great vantage point at the top of the bell tower, attached to classic St. George's Parish Church. The highlight views, though, are found along the magnificent walls of Piran, amazingly preserved remnants of Piran's embattled military past. As a working fishing town, Piran is loaded with terrific seafood restaurants, most of which have comfortable outdoor terraces, where you can enjoy a local Lasco beer on a relaxed square, or overlooking the incredible sunsets along the promenade. There are also a number of nice walking trails in the area, and a few nearby beaches that are popular in the heat of summer. Number 3 is Maribor. Located on the left bank of the Drava River, Maribor is Slovenia's second largest city. It offers plenty of scenic views and outdoor activities. The colorful parks and streets, elegant architectural buildings, and long winemaking tradition are the main highlights of Maribor. Maribor is around 126 kilometers away from Ljubljana, the capital city of Slovenia. You can reach here by car or train within 2 hours. Maribor has a small town charm and it is very compact. You can easily get around the city on foot, as most of the city's popular attractions are within walkable distance. It is an underrated city in Slovenia, and not nearly as crowded as Ljubljana and Bled. But the city is colorful, vibrant, quiet, and has lots to offer its visitors. Number 2 is Ljubljana. The capital city of Slovenia has such an old-world appeal that it almost doesn't feel like a city at all. Ljubljana is incredibly picturesque and full of vibrance. The summer months bring a lot of locals outside, onto the alfresco dining tables that line the river, as well as hidden gardens and terraces behind closed doors. The old cobblestone streets were made for this, plus crisscrossing its many bridges is part of what makes this whole city so charming. One of our favorite things to do in Ljubljana was visiting the castle, which looms over every section of the old town. Climbing up to the castle itself offers tremendous viewpoints over the city, while nearly every scenic spot along the river is enhanced by having this classic castle in the background. Number 1 is Lake Bled. The iconic Bled is one of the best places to visit in Slovenia. It is located in the Julian Alps, in the north of the country. You won't find a more beautiful landscape in all of Slovenia. Its calm, clear waters are surrounded by tree-covered hills up close, and snow-capped mountains in the distance. The two unique features that really set Lake Bled apart, though, are Bled Castle and Bled Island. The impressive medieval castle looms over the lake, like the background of a movie scene, and within its walls offers a museum, cafe, and a number of terrific viewpoints. Also, the town of Bled features plenty of affordable accommodation and a wide range of excellent restaurants. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye for now.